We've already seen the pictures that they were not too clever. They were oxidized down and obviously started pitting and wearing away, and obviously rust and problems coming through, just a little bit of pitting. But we're now on stage 2 here, which is the chemical wash down. Obviously what we're doing is looks like we're hand washing it down, but the chemical's doing the work. It's alkalizing the door, rolling down the door there. We give it an etch coat at the same time. That starts alkalizing and penetrating the oxidized metal, ready for stage 3 and then stage 4. So there you go, 2 garages completely finished. You saw all the priming, the undercoat, the cleaning down, the taping up. Obviously the top coats have gone on. You can see those now. 2 coats, top coat, and then the clear coats have gone on. So we've then gone through and put 2 coats of our resin protective clear coat on. That gives it a hardener and obviously protection against future UV. Those doors, well, they look like brand new doors. Alright, so we've just bought those up with a complete spray job, undercoat, top coats, clear coat, protection, 2 garage doors, less than $1,000. If you're keen, give us a call.